Alright, so real quick, as you can see, I'm editing on my 2022 MacBook Pro. Purchased this yesterday. It is a dongle, you know, a little adapter piece. Because, you know, these MacBooks only have USB-C ports. These two little USB-C ports. And as a photographer, I need that right there. That that SD drive. But here's my issue. I plug it in and it works good. Works really, really good. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's plugged in, power on. I can plug in my little mouse dongle. Come on. There we go. And as you can see, my little wireless mouse, if I click, will start to move. The cursor will start to move. Now here's my issue. That is the charger. We're going to plug that into the charger port. Nothing. Nothing. Now, if I yank that out properly, now let's... Ow, that hurt. Let's pull that out, move that off to the side, and plug that in where it's supposed to go. Would you looky? It charges. Oops. My only issue with this thing, it does not support my charger. I will be returning it for that reason. Again, this is a 2022 MacBook Pro with the USB-C type charger. This thing will not charge. So now I have to return it and find a different one.
This is my smart hub. As you can see, I have two HDMI plugs. I have not used either of these video adapters. I have not used Ethernet, but I have used VGA, and everything seems to be working fine. Currently, I have an external keyboard, a document camera, and a printer plugged in, and they all work fine. I have also plugged in a flash drive here and been able to access everything without problems. This is the cord that plugs into the computer, and then the power source for the computer comes out of this and goes into the electrical outlet. I do have currently two HDMI monitors plugged in and into the computer, so that I have a total of 3 screens. This has worked very well this school year. I have no issues with this. My keyboard has been finicky in the past with hubs, and this one seems to be working just fine.
Yeah, this is a docking station, so it looks good. I'm using almost 1 year, so it is no issue. The docking station is multiple things, and I connected with my personal laptop. That is my office laptop with 2 monitors, and I can see that 3 monitors at the time, and connected with VGA and internet port as well. So I connected it to USB. It looks good, and I set up all these ones. See my monitor setup and laptop and connection with my headset with USB drive. You can see here it is a more port, and I connected all the power cable and internet cable and all this one. See, yeah, no issues at all. Okay, thank you. Bye.
So here's my UTech USB-C hub that I've got connected to my Dell laptop. As you can see, I've got several devices connected to it, including a headset, a Logitech camera, a charger here for my iPhone. I've got my laptop and keyboard, wireless laptop and keyboard, and I've got my two displays over there. As you can see, I've got the displays set up here. I guess the best thing I could say about it is that it works as described, as advertised. It's small, it's portable if I want it to be, but the real value here is that it stays when I choose to take my laptop and I don't have to fumble with all the wires and cords. So very happy with it. Good for the price.
So we got the really cool hub from Utech. It's a USB-C type hub that I use my HDMI cables on to run both my screens. It works really well, just plug and play. So you can back up there. So I have both of these on there, runs both of these screens. So you can see all I have to do is plug it right into my laptop. And it plays both of my screens. You give it just a second to load. You'll see that it'll go from my laptop screen to both of my dual screens here. Runs them just fine. Don't have an issue. I game a lot on this one, and my stream on that one does a great job. And then if I want to use my work computer, same thing. Just unplug USB-C, plug it in inside of my work computer, and then I can work from my dual monitors. Super good product. I would definitely recommend buying it.
All right, this is my UtechSmart adapter, which has been amazing since I got my MacBook Pro, my new 2020 MacBook Pro. It only comes with these two ports on each side. And I really need the USB ports. So you get 3 USB ports, you get your USB-C port there so you can charge your laptop here, and of course your disk inserts. Fits great, never had any issues with it, looks great. Definitely recommend it.